In the last few weeks, there's been a number of Boko Haram attacks in several parts of the northeast of the country, even as authorities maintain the group is losing ground. This is reaffirmed by the Air Component Commander, Operation Lafia Dole, Air Commodore Tajuddin Yusuf, during its quarterly media briefing in Yola, the capital of Adamawa State. He insists Boko Haram has lost its capacity to seize and hold an entire town.
The F-7, Alpha Jet, Mi-35M provided close air support for the troops from April to June 2017, flying a total of 27 sorties, which is 10 sorties less than the mission conducted in the first quarter. The drop in close air support mission is indicative of the fact that the ground forces had less contact with Boko Haram terrorists than recorded in the first quarter. The implication here is that the insurgents are largely on the run and their capability to wage significant offensive has been curtailed. Evacuation missions were conducted using Mi-17, AC-135 and Agusa 109 LUH helicopter. These missions continue to improve the survival rate of wounded in action and sick troops, thereby positively impacting on the morale of the fighting troops.
According to Air Commodore Yusuf, the deployment of its newly acquired aircraft has not only enhanced their operations, but has also helped in boosting morale within the rank and file.
Some of the achievements include the conduct of significant liaison and humanitarian outreach missions. A few notable ones include the extraction of Chibok girls from Banki to Maiduguri, airlifting of INEC officials within the theater, provision of cancer screening and treatment to women and internally displaced persons camps, medical outreach and surgery for IDP.
He also highlights other achievements of the operation during the period under review.
The challenge posed by the season is affecting both sides of the conflict because it's a bit difficult for the ground troops to move because of the nature of the soil in Maiduguri. If you understand it very well, most of the equipment could easily bog down. We have the technology to check the weather, analyze it, and know when to operate.
While significant progress may have been recorded during the period under review, the expectation from Nigerians, especially those living in the northeast of the country, is that the Boko Haram group is completely routed.